Hey folks, these three improvements come straight from our quality control department. Before, checking these Goboplay tower frame bolts meant pulling out calipers, measuring multiple dimensions, ensuring everything was aligned, and hoping nothing was missed. Checking took 70 seconds per part and could not be rushed. So, to simplify the process, we switched to a dedicated checking pin. Now, the whole frame takes about 12 seconds to inspect. If the part fits, it's good. If it doesn't fit, we know immediately. There's no guessing or misreads, and the inspection is repeatable every time. On the same product, we also needed to check the locating holes on these bent frames. That meant more caliper use, checking hole size, distance from the tube end, and ensuring that the hole was centered. This check took 35 seconds per hole. So to fix this process, we created a 3D printed jig with a locating pin. Now the operator just drops it in place and everything either lines up or it doesn't. The checking time for this process dropped by about 80%, and best of all, anyone on the factory floor can perform this inspection without struggle. The last example is the same story, but for a swing set frame component. Like before, there are multiple holes, alignment checks, and careful measurements required. So we created this simple jig and pin system, and in seconds we know instantly that the part is correct. Across all three of these improvements, the real win is a better flow. That means checking is faster, easier, and it happens more often. The result is that quality goes up, frustration goes down, and we deliver better products to our customers every time. Thanks so much.